This is a Drayton RTS2 thermostat. To remove it, there are two screws at the bottom of the unit. So you can see there's a screw there, and there's a screw there. You don't need to remove the screw. You can just undo the screw enough to remove the top part of the unit. So that should be enough. To remove it, you can just pull off the bottom part. So you can see, you can pull off the bottom part, see the two screws, and then lift it upward to remove the unit. So this is the unit. So you can see the thermostat and the backplate. We have the contact here, 3 contact, and there we have the 3 wire connected, plus the yellow and green that the earth wire. So this is the connection, and we also have a diagram for the wiring of this RTS2 Drayton thermostat. You can see there's the neutral, there's the live, and the code for heat on the terminal 3 is actually connected to a switch, and they're going to be live when the relay is on, connect between the terminal number 1, the terminal L, and terminal 3. On the back plate, you can also say there's a terminal N, that's the neutral, and there's a terminal L, that's the live, and the terminal 1, 2, 3, and actually the terminal N, terminal L, and terminal 3 are in use, and they're working just like this diagram. Neutral, live, and cold for heat. So between the live and the cold for heat is the switch driven by the relay. To remember, so this is the permanent neutral, and this is the live, but it's a switched live from the programmer. This is the output from the thermostat. So it is a switched output of the thermostat. Permanent neutral, switched live from the programmer, switched live from the thermostat. To remove the wiring, just unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, and to remove the back plate, just remove the screw here, here, and here. This is the missing. And then you can pull up the wire. Of course, you have switched off the power supply. To remove the back plate, just remove the 3 screws here. So I have removed the 3 screws. This is the last one. Okay, so then now you can remove the back plate, so you can change it to other thermostat.